There is no such thing as an emergency fund. Ang pera inimbento para gastusin sa parang araw-araw na pamumuhay at hindi para iimbak at paghandaan ang mga imbentong sakit at dilubyo ng mga demonyo. Totoo naman na ang pera ay kailangan talaga natin in order for us to live and buy our essential expenses. But itong mga sakit na sinabi natin na parang inimbento na lang, well, hindi naman siguro siya imbento because it really happens eh. It is something that our health professionals discovered na may ganitong sakit pala. And since may ganitong sakit, we need to protect ourselves just in case that happens, and that requires money. So yung purpose kasi talaga ng emergency fund is something na may pera tayo na gagamitin just in case magkasakit tayo, ma-hospitalize tayo, or even mawalan tayo ng trabaho. Kung may sobra tayong pera, instead of spending it, you save it para just in case may masamang mangyari sa atin, we have the funds to pay for it. Instead of borrowing money, dun ka na mababaon sa utang kasi one of the worst things that you can ever do in your financial life is to borrow money for emergencies. Why? Your emergencies doesn't really help you generate income. But you have to pay it back yung pera na inutang mo plus interest pa. Ikaw, did you start building your emergency fund na ba? Comment it down below.